In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the device I use to record this footage. It's actually a shoulder harness, and this affordable and versatile piece of equipment is available on Amazon for less than $25. So here's what the shoulder harness looks like. It's actually made of elastic material that is both comfortable and is easily adjustable to fit various body sizes. The assembly process is pretty straightforward and took less than 5 minutes, as you can see here. So you simply follow these steps, unpack the harness and identify the components, assemble them together as I did. Adjust the straps to fit snugly around your shoulders. And attach the phone on the harness. The harness allows you to position your phone in either the portrait or landscape mode, depending on your recording needs. This flexibility is perfect for vlogging or capturing dynamic footage on the go. Now, as I showed at the beginning of the video, the harness is ideal for recording while riding a bike. And whether you're navigating bumpy trails or busy city streets, it keeps your phone steady and your hands free. Now, using a harness really gives me peace of mind while biking. It not only captures my journey, but it also serves as a deterrent to reckless motorists who might make abrupt moves. So if an accident does occur, the footage provides clear evidence, eliminating my stress of the typical my word against theirs in such situations. So in conclusion, this shoulder harness is a simple yet effective and powerful tool for anyone looking to record their adventure or daily activities. It's budget friendly and highly effective, and I would consider it to be an excellent investment for aspirant vloggers and everyday users alike.